morning! Welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. We're here in Ubay now. We're going to get the 16 kids for their treat. First time in the restaurant and first time in the shopping area. But before that, we're going to drop by here our cladding that we bought for the skeleton family, our skeleton house.
And we're just going to let all the traffic go by right now so we can pull over there.
Yeah.
Over here it's mostly motorcycle traffic. They're whizzing along.
Oh, they got motorcycle there.
Yeah, that's good.
But it seems no one's there.
Well, the motorcycle's there, so I have to assume that somebody's there. I like the way they've done the garden. They've got, looks like, those are orchids, aren't they, when they put them on those stems?
Yeah, that's orchids.
That's orchids.
Let's go up here. Thank you so much, Little Bit Rich. We bought 15 claddings, 15 sheets of claddings, and then some bamboo also. I forgot the name. Day, asa mong mama, Day? Ha? Nilakaw? Nilakaw? Aw, imong mama lagi to? Iyaani mo? Yung bana ato? Ang bana ato? Nilakaw pod. Ikaw ra gibilin? Yeah, we just drop by. We just drop the cladding. Why laki niya, Day?
Tell her what we're going to do for tomorrow.
Day, dali sa. Na may bongbong dire. Among ibilin. Kung ikaugma na mo ari dire, tulo ka laki or duha ka laki, magpanday. Para magbungbungan ng ilang balay. Ha? Ingna lang to imong iyaan or oyuan nga na amo tong ibilin ang kuan amakan nya ingna nga ugma ko no nay mo ari ugma sa hapon magbungbong. Ha?
Explain what you just said.
Yeah, I told her that to tell her auntie, that's her auntie. To tell her auntie that tomorrow there are 2 or 3 guys coming here to do the cladding.
That's great.
Yeah, tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, so that's great. Let's
Yeah, so we're gonna get
let's
the
see what we can
cladding.
do about dropping.
Here, the husband and the wife is not here. Only the other kids and also the nieces. No, we bring that to the mother and child.
Well, have to come out.
Wala lain laki, wala may lain laki diya sa silingan. There's no other man. You leave one of that. Excuse me.
One.
Yeah, you get that and leave the other one. My God, what happened? Oh, te.
Salamat. Salamat. Salamat.
Yeah.
Salamat kayo, ma'am. Sabi na ko. Panay pag-asa mo, manamu balay. Thank you very much.
Kanang, te, nay mo ari ugma. Amo ipapanday. Ugma sa mga utso.
Kabisa kami na lang, ma'am. Kay pala man akong bana mo panday.
Patabang-tabangin lang, kaya mahuman
Kabisa
ba?
kami na lang. Okay ra. Ako na lang mo helper.
O sige ra, amo man tong giingnan. May mari mga duha ka tawo.
Sige,
Ugma sa
salamat,
hapon.
mama.
Para mahuman gid ba?
Thank you very much.
Little bit rich, thank you. So please like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. We come back here maybe Tuesday or Wednesday or Monday, not sure. But when we come back here, we're gonna do a video that this house is already clad. Already cladding. So thank you and God bless.